Welcome to the Galvanic Applied Sciences tutorial series. In this video we will show how to set up Modbus. For information on how to physically connect to the analyzer, please check the 903 wiring book which is found on the CD or in the 903 GUI software under the Help menu. Start the 903 software. Log on. Press update and enter the password. The default password is 2222. Go to the Modbus page. The Modbus screen allows the user to set up the 903 analyzer to output data in three varieties of Modbus communication protocol: Enron, Modicon 16, and Modicon floating point. As there are a large number of possible configurations for Modbus and every user may desire a slightly different configuration, we will show the most common setup. If the user requires assistance in setting up Modbus configuration, the Service Department at Galvanic Applied Sciences will assist in configuring the unit as desired. To set up a new Modbus list, press the New Modbus List button at the bottom of the screen. In this example, we will use the most common Modbus protocol, Modicon with floating point. On the left side of the screen are the available points. Here's an example of the most common setup for the Modbus protocol using the holding register float. Drag and drop H2S reading from stream 1 and drop it in the holding register float. This value is the current value of the gas concentration in the sample stream calculated by the analyzer. This will update every second if analyzer is in PAA mode. Next, drag and drop gain, also found in stream 1. This is the current value of the calibration gain, which is used to calculate the concentration of the gas being analyzed. Next, drag and drop alarm state system from alarm status. This value indicates whether or not any of the global alarms have been triggered. A value of 0 means no global alarms have been triggered, while a value of 1 means the global alarm has been triggered. Next, drag and drop H2S high alarm from alarm status. The value indicates whether or not the H2S high alarm has been triggered. If the value is 0, the concentration of gas in the sample gas stream is below the H2S high alarm set point. If the value is 1, the concentration of gas in the sample gas stream is above the H2S high alarm set point. Next, drag and drop H2S high alarm from alarm status. A value of 0 means the alarm has not been triggered, while a value of 1 means the alarm has been triggered. Next, drag and drop sensor reading from alarm status. This value is the current sensor output of the analyzer in millivolts, starting from 0 millivolts at the beginning of an analysis cycle. Next, drag and drop sensor temperature from alarm status. This is the current ambient temperature experienced by the sensor block and by extension the analyzer as a whole. Next, drag and drop tape remaining from alarm status. This shows the length of tape remaining in the analyzer. If the 903 is configured for dual stream operation, the Modbus list will also contain the data points for stream 2 that are also present for stream 1. There are several columns in the Modbus list table. The first is Modbus items, which shows the Modbus list tree and the various data points that are in each node. Register is the most important as it shows the address of each data point. These addresses are essential for setting up the device that will read the Modbus list so it knows which data point to output to each register. Type shows the type of each data point. Possible values include Boolean, unsigned long, and float. Most data points are either Boolean or float. Floats can be output in the short and long nodes, but the decimal points will be lost. In the value column, Boolean data points will have either a value of true if on or false if off. Numerical data points will show the value currently entered in the given data point. Permissions column shows whether a given data point is read-only or writable. Writable data points are the only data points that can be written to remotely through Modbus. When you are finished, you must click Temporary Write to Analyzer and Permanent Write to Analyzer for the changes to be accepted. You must then recycle power or reboot from the Others menu. Please wait for the analyzer to finish startup procedure before you log on again. Analyzer is now updated with the latest changes. The value table displays current readings for user convenience, and now you can see updated values. To do this, press the Poll Once button. This concludes the How to Set Up Modbus tutorial.